Dear friends, welcome to my channel Enjoy Learning. I hope you've understood the meaning of the brand new words and phrases that I mentioned yesterday, and you have also learned how to use them in your daily talk. So today, I've come to you with a new array of amazing words. But before starting, I want to make you revise the words that we have studied yesterday, which are gather your wits, muster your courage, wayfarer, bolt hole, and shilly-shally. So let's come to the first word, which is annular eclipse. So as you all must be acquainted with the fact that an annular eclipse was observed today. So what does this mean? It is a solar eclipse in which the moon does not cover the entire disk of the sun, so that a ring of sunlight surrounds the shadow of the moon. Now the sentence is, people used a photographic film to observe the annular eclipse. So this is the exact meaning of the word annular eclipse. So let's come to the second word, which is bon voyage. It is an exclamation word and it is used to express good wishes for a person who is going to start a new journey. Let's come to the third word, which is cacophony. It means a mixture of loud and unpleasant noises. The noises could be caused by vehicles, by dogs, by musical instruments, and the sentence is, after the explosion, there was a cacophony of screams and ambulance sirens. Now, the fourth word is intrepid. It means brave or fearless. That means intrepid is the synonym of brave. The sentence is, the intrepid adventurer climbed the rocky mountain without fear. So this is how you can use this word in your sentence. Let's come to the fifth word, which is prolix. A speech or writing is said to be prolix if it is very long or boring. And the example is, the speech was unnecessarily prolix. That means the speech was very long and boring. So in this way, you have to use these words in your daily talk or wherever you want to use them. The only thing you need to do is keep learning these new words and you will soon turn out to be a proficient English speaker. What does the word proficient means? It means a brilliant English speaker. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in the next video. That means tomorrow.